Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, there's going to be swearing, smoking, and drinking. If you don't like those things, leave now because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Hello, everybody. Welcome. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Yes, brothers, we have a great show for you today. Now, all right, we got some interesting stuff going on today. We got some real interesting stuff going on today. So, here's a little now. All right, so let me just say the title. So big banks are refusing cryptocurrency companies bank accounts right now. And I'm going to explain to you why, though. So I'm going to explain to you why. It's reminiscent of when I was in California. The banks aren't giving bank accounts to medical marijuana companies. I'll tell you, I'll explain. So we're going to talk about that. Bang, sons of what? Look. $1 billion. This is from one company. One company in crypto futures was traded. Was it last month or was it? Oh, I didn't write it down. I don't know if it was last month or last quarter, but 1 billion from one company. They said their shit's been blowing up 400 times. Here come the whales. Bang! Here come the whales. Here come the whales. And then I have another story. This is interesting. And this is just for you guys personally, like just if you guys want to implement this in your life, have at it. There's a company called BlockFi, and they have launched a cryptocurrency savings account. Yeah, you put your crypto with them. They pay you 6% interest on your account every single month. Look. So we're going to have a little heart-to-heart about that one when we get there, brothers. We're going to have a heart-to-heart about that one. I'm not saying I'm going to do it, but I'm not saying I'm not. You know what I mean? So look. Let's get how we started, man. Let's get to this, man. This is a juicy one tonight. Bang, look. Bang, look. And then bang, look. Refresh. Bang, yes. Oh, what we got? Oh, Bitcoin's up a little bit. 3.8. What was that? 389. So high 3.8s. High 3.8s on the Bitcoin. True. All right, brothers. Let's settle in. Yeah, I like the feeling of this show tonight. This is some good stuff right here. This is some good stuff. So let's start how we usually do. Let's get over with this market stuff and get into some stories. Bang! Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. The usual suspects, as I always say. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, EOS, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, Binance Coin, Stellar, and Tron. Bang! Yes, let's look at the market caps of the day, or the market moves of the day. Look. It's looking like it's all green. Looks like single digits to low double digits up. Let's see. Single digits to low double digits up. Oh, it is all green. Oh, it is all green. Oh, and look at who's number 20. Bitcoin Gold. Whatever. Single digits to low double digits up. Oh, who's that number 26? Oh, that's that Alibaba. Oh, we'll get there when we get there. I'm spoiling it. Look. Single digits to low double digits up. Bang, I'm ruining the show already. Right? That's like a spoiler. Look, brothers. Let's see if anyone lost any money. If anything's on sale today. Bang. Nothing really, brothers. All right, look. Top 10 loser of the day. Repo, Electroneum, Loom Network, Revain, Pundiex, DAI, Pivx, Crypto.com Chain, Tether, and Paxos Standard. All right, let's look who made money. Oh, let's see who's made money today. Bang. Here we go. So there's that Alibaba coin. ABBC coin is Alibaba coin. So top 10 earners of the day, brothers. Alibaba coin, Bitcoin Gold, Raven coin, Odom, Litecoin, Engine coin, Theta, EOS, Digitex Futures, and Quant. One of the brothers told me that Theta, you know who you are, brother. You told me you're going to keep me posted. He said Theta's coming out with their main net. Bang, bang, bang. This month. Bang. And I'm going to keep everyone abreast. And I told you already. And I looked into it already. Theta has some partnerships with Samsung and Sony coming up when they get their main net online. You know Shamar is going to keep you abreast. That's on my watch list. Yes, brothers. That's on my watch list. Yeah. That's how that's going down. So, look. Let's see what the market is. Oh, 132. Nice. Oh, and look, hold on. Let's do this in order. Look, Shamari, have some decorum, brother. Settle down, brother. Settle down. Look. 132 billion. 0.49. So let's call that 132.5. Bang. But look. What's going down with the market? Volume today? Bang, brothers. Bang. We were at 24 and change yesterday. We're at 34.8 now. Let's just call that straight 35 and just get it over with. Bang. Oh, brothers, here it comes, man. I was talking to the brothers today in Twitter. I'm about ready. I'm even going to show you. I don't know. I'm about ready. You guys know me. I love buying on the blood reds and all that. But look, man, the warehouse is big enough now. You know what I'm saying? Do you guys feel the same way I do? If you were with me all last year, you've been buying all the way down. Bang. We got all the weekend shit. The warehouse is full. Oh, my gosh. And the last blood red since December, you should have been piling in these last 3 months. Bang, bang, bang. Your base, in other words, what you bought the last 3 months, your warehouse should look like a pyramid, right? What you bought the last 3 months should be the biggest monster of what you bought. And if not, well, get to it, buddy, because you still got time. We're still below 4,000 on the Bitcoin. Look. And look, right? Like a pyramid. You bought all the way down. More and more, right? Holy. So I'm like I was telling the brothers today in Twitter, it's time now. We had the fun last year. Some of us more than others. We had fun with the blood reds. Are you ready, boys, though? What have we been waiting for? You know it. Like I told you. Bang! You're like Noah. Like Noah. Look. Yes, you heard about a flood coming. All last year you were with me. Holy. Bang! What were we watching? Bang! The institutional investors fighting and scratching and kicking to build custody, to try and apply for ETFs and then reapply and reapply. They're fighting to be the first one to come and give us their money. Yes, brothers. Look. That's what we've been watching. Why? Because there's a flood a-coming. There's a flood a-coming. That's why you're like Noah. There's a flood a-coming. And you be building your ark. Yes. Yes, brothers. Man, I love you fucking all. Mission. Hold on. We still have more work to do. But you've been building it. You've been building it all last year. Blood red. You buy. Oh, shit goes down. You buy more. Shit goes down. Oh, you buy more. Shit goes down. But bang, bang, bang. Because you knew what was coming. Like Noah. You knew a flood was coming. What was special about Noah? Look. Hold on. We gotta talk, brothers. We haven't even gotten to the stories yet. What was special about Noah? What was special about him? You don't know in the Bible, so I don't know what country you're from, but around here we got the Bible. This is America. We roll with the Bible around these parts. And so look. There's a guy named Noah in it. Look. He was special. Why was he special? He was special because he knew of an event that nobody else knew of that was going to occur. And he took action for said event. Bang! That's it. That's why he's special, right? He knew of a flood. All his village, his whole town, wherever he lived, the city, it was in Mesopotamia. That's modern day Iran. None of them knew. None of them believed him, right? He took his kids. He said, look, we're building an ark around these parts. They were like, what, Dad? Well, over there in the Middle East, you can't really talk back to your dad. It's not like the modern days where you get to say shit to your parents. You get bitch slapped back in those old days. I'm Jamaican. Look, believe me, I know about it. And I can only imagine what it was back in those ancient times. So look, right? And he said, look, we're building an ark. And what happened? He fucking put the boys to work. Start building an ark. Yeah, and what? The people all around him. They were like, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? You know what they were doing? They were giving Noah what we call around these parts. We call that the yap. Yes, if you're new around here, look. Let me say hello to some new people. Yes, let's get you schooled. Linda Smith. Oh, no. Well, whoever you are, though, bang! New subscriber. Jessica Liss, bang! New subscriber. Bear Zakes, bang! New subscriber. Schminden KY. Is that the jelly? Bang! Yes, use it. New subscriber. JA, bang! New subscriber. Add Soy, bang! New subscriber. Mario. Barrientos, bang! So look. If you're new around these parts, let me tell you something. You're like Noah. You see, you're like Noah. You know an event that's going to occur. Now, around here, we've been watching this event. If you're new, you maybe don't know this yet, but there's a tsunami of money that's coming. A tsunami of money? What the fuck is this guy saying? Yes, brothers. Yes, my new subscribers. You've hit the right spot. You're in the right channel. Because believe me, there is a tsunami of money that's on the way. Bang! Look. If you're new, so I know you're new. My name's Shamari Clark. I'm a 19-year investor. Yep. My money makes me money. I don't have a I don't have a 9-to-5 job. Look at my face. Look at me. You think I go to work looking like this? I make money at home, baby. I live in South Beach, Florida. Yes, the South Beach, Florida. The beach is 2 blocks right behind me, right here. The sand, as we call it. Okay? You're with a market killer. I murder these institutional investors every day. And let me tell you something. There is a tsunami of money that's on the way. And look. And now back to the regular programming. Look. And that's why you're like Noah. Because you know of a tsunami of money. And those of you who've been here, all that you who've battled with us, battled with me and my crew, Ronkez, son of a bitch, with Bob, bang, with Justin, the darkness, with Edwin, bang, with me, with all of us, you who battled with us, Poppywood, bang, came a little later, but bang, look. The tsunami is almost here. And that's what I want you to be happy about. You're like Noah. You know of a tsunami of money that's coming. Don't be afraid. Don't worry about the prices. Don't worry about the prices of anything. Because look. How are you like Noah? And especially you brothers who've been here from the beginning. Wow. What have we been talking about? Well, eventually, the fucking flood arrives, brothers. Bang! And it's arriving right now, isn't it? Look at us. Hovering right here. Where are we? Look at us. Oh, man, I'm just talking all manner of stuff. Look. We're hovering. 3-1. We went down to 3,100 in January. We are comfortably in the high threes. Comfortably. It's been a minute, hasn't it? Yeah, we popped above the 4. All right, just a little test, just to test it out, just to taste the waters. Look. Not ready yet. But we're comfortably right here, brothers. Comfortably right here. And look, guys, like Noah, well, eventually the flood comes. And you're like Noah because this. Yeah, people around in Noah's town, in his village, in his city, yeah, they didn't believe there was a flood coming. Right? How are you right now? Right? I bet you're hearing, like I said, what we call around these parts, the yap. Right? You got your buddies on this side. Yap. Come on, Johnny. Come on, dog. Why don't you coming out with us to the club, man? Let's go get some bitches and hoes, dog. Look. And what are you saying? You're smart. You're wise. Bang. And if you're new, this is how you have to behave yourself. You got to be wise. You got to tell your boys, nope. Now's not the time for clubs and bitches. Now's not the time for that. Women. Sorry, I didn't mean to say the B word. Look. Right? And then you're hearing the yap. Come on, Johnny. Come on, man. We're going on a hunting trip, man. We're going to chase down some whitetail, man. We're going to take home some meat. We're going to fill the freezer, dog. Look. You got to tell them no. Now is not the time for hunting. Not yet. Not now. Not now. Because we got to get the crypto. We have to build what? Our cryptocurrency warehouse. Strong and nice. And especially now. We ain't going any lower. Shamar, we're not going lower? I don't think so. I mean, we've been comfortably right here. We've been comfortably right here for a solid minute. I mean, do I know we're not going? No, of course not. How the fuck should I know, man? I'm not a prophet, but I am a 19-year investor. And I know that when things go down, you tend to consolidate. And if the trend is to go down, well, you go down more. You don't consolidate up. I mean, that's just technical bullshit from my trading experience. And so I'm feeling quite confident. This is it. We are at the bottom. I mean, the 3,100 was the bottom. We have just left the bottom, and we're at the beginnings of going up. And so get your cryptocurrency warehouse built. And so that's why you got to tell the boys when they give you the yap, 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 look, look, look. You just give them a little look, 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 bro. Now's not the time for that. And you know what else you hear, brothers? Yes, around here we talk about it all the time. Holy shit. And here it comes. We need to get fueled for this shit right here. I don't have this particular problem, but I know, brothers. One of you guys told me I shouldn't rat you out because you said your wife listens and then she might know which one it is. Oh, man. You guys tell me stories sometimes. But look, brothers, you hear the yap, yap, yap. And you know what this is coming from. That's coming from the wife. Yep. Yep. She's looking for a vacation. Yeesh. She's looking for a new kitchen. Ay, ay, ay. You know what you gotta say. Where's my new kitchen? You know what they say. Where are we gonna go on a vacation? Where's my new kitchen? Look, look, sweetie. So you gotta tell them, now's not the time, sweetie. Now is not the time. Now is not the time for a new kitchen when I've got $34 billion worth of volume. Look, look, sweetie. Now's not the time when I've got $34 billion worth of volume on the market. And I got a big old warehouse of stuff. And I got to put in a little bit more, sweetie. Look, look, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. Right, just give her a little kiss. Look, sweetie. Now's not the time. All right. Go on, go on. Talk to your girlfriends on Facebook or something, sweetie. Nah, we're not doing the kitchen now. Oh, but you tell them smart shit like this. Look, sweetie. Now, sweetie, you know I love you. I know. Well, look, look. I can get you a kitchen now. Or if you just let me do what the fuck I got to do, I'll get you 3 kitchens. Yes. Oh, yes. See what I'm saying? Got to show her. Look, girl. You can have 1 or you can have 3. And so, look, look. That's that yap, yap, yap. But what happened? What happened? And that's what we've been going through all last year. All of you who have been with me from the beginning of last year, you have heard yap, yap, yap from the boys. Oh, Shmori, your fucking crypto's not even going anywhere. It's fucking going down, dog. Yeah, because they're fucking idiots. Yeah, my crypto's going down. You don't think I know it's going down? I know it's going to continue to go down because there's weak hands. But because I'm a 19-year investor, fuckstick, you don't think I know what's going on here? But what's going on here? Bang! I know institutional investors are coming because sons of bitches are charging $250,000 for custody services. That's what's going down. Because I see Winklevoss brothers paying $1 million lawyers time after time, getting rejected and rejected, but keep trying and trying. They're literally trying to bring me their money. So while my Bitcoin might be going down now, believe me, my warehouse is strong, brother. It's strong, and so is yours. And that's what you told them. That's what you better tell them. Your shit's strong, and it's poised to pounce. It's poised to murder. It's poised to fucking kill. You, look here, sons of bitches. You are about to be rich because you were like fucking Noah and you didn't listen to the yap, yap, yap. You did not listen to that yap, yap, yap. You followed reality. Reality. Not someone's perceived reality, but the reality that you know is fucking coming, right? That's why, brothers, you are going to be fucking rich because you have the intestinal fortitude. You have the smarts because you were like who? My favorite dude in the world, baby. Noah. Fucking Noah. All right, brothers. Whoa! Shit, I'm amped. Oh, man. Look at that fucking, look at that volume. I didn't expect to say all that. Look, with volume like that, though, brothers, that'll pull a little Noah out of you. You know, brothers. Bang, brothers. You know who you are. That pulled the Noah right out of me right there. Shit, that pulled it right out. All right. But, all right. So, look. Let's get to the stories that I told you guys we're going to talk about, though. But seriously. You're like motherfucking Noah. Build a warehouse big. Build it nice. Don't stop. In fact, pile in right now while we're at the bottom. And if you're new to crypto, well, aren't you a lucky motherfucker? Pile in right now. Build it. Build your warehouse with working product. No white papers. No white papers. And look, I know I'm strict. But I'm going to say it. I don't give a fuck about a mainnet. It has to be doing something now. If you got money out there, your hard-earned labor. Do you know your labor is represented in the money you have? Right? The money you have in your bank account, that's a representation of what your labor is worth. Now, are you going to spend your labor on garbage? Just get the exact stuff that is going to make all the money in the world. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, bang, commodities. Then working product. Stellar, IOTA, VeChain, Stratus, Cardanos. Look, there's a few more out there, but bang. But working, doing something today, generating income for companies today, generating savings and efficiencies and things like that for companies today, because these are blockchain services companies. Just invest in the ones that are making actual industry better, and you are going, look. You are going to be rich. Bang! All right. Fuck. Shit, man. That fucking 24-hour volume right there. That 34 billion. That brought out the preacher in a motherfucker. All right, brothers. Let's get back to what the thing we were going to do, though. All right. So BlockFi launches crypto savings accounts. Pays a whopping 6% on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Our XOP and Litecoin on deck. Who gives a fuck about all that? Look. Now, this is interesting. Are you going to do this, Shamari? I'm not going to say I'm going to do this. And I'm also not going to say I'm not. It's interesting. 6%. And so, I mean, I'm going to read it to you, but I'll just say it to you right now. Like, they're going to give you 6% interest on your savings accounts every month. So if you have $100,000 in savings with them, yeah, you're going to get $6,000 a month. $6,000 a month. Right? Like a month. And they compound the interest. So you got $100,000 with them. Bang, you get $6,000 a month with them. That $6,000 goes on to the $100,000. So now you have $106,000 and you earn the 6% off the $106,000. It's compounding interest, right? Compounding interest means it keeps adding up, all right? In a way. Just Google that shit. But yeah, man. It's interesting. So let's check it out. If anyone's interested, I mean, that's some serious, that's some serious interest, man. 6% a month. If I had, anyway, man, I earn about 2% a month on my bank account. By the time I do a few transactions, that's all done with. That's not true, but. Anyways, guys, so check this out. Here's a little something. If you feel like, some high interest savings. U.S.-based crypto lender, well, plus this was on every single website, so obviously I got to tell you. U.S.-based crypto lending platform BlockFi just launched savings accounts for Bitcoin and Ethereum with a whopping 6% annual interest rate. And it's not annual, it's monthly. The interest is paid each month. See what I'm saying? These fucking idiots on these fucking stupid crypto sites, annual. That means yearly, you fucking moron. And then the guy comes right down here and he's like, each month. That's why sometimes, guys, I have to explain some shit to you guys, man. Because these idiots on these are just a bunch of crypto nerds, man. They don't even know what the fuck they're talking about. Annual means yearly. Monthly means monthly. All right, brothers. But anyway. All right. Sorry. I just get so angry because, fuck. Because I don't know if sometimes you guys are watching these and maybe you're reading and then you're not listening to me, but you're also reading what they're saying and then you're catching the wrong words or something like. Because sometimes they say some fucked up shit. Anyways, the interest is paid each fucking month. in crypto. And that means if you have 100,000 in crypto with them, yeah, you're getting $6,000 a month. Yeah, passive income, fucker. Passive income. What is that? What is that? What is that? Was that $1,500 a week? Yeah, there you go. Passive income. Holy, it's tempting, isn't it? So let me start again. The interest is paid each month in crypto and is then compounded, meaning compounding means so you can have an interest paid on your account, which say I put 100,000 in, I only get paid interest on that 100,000 each month. So no matter how long I keep that 100,000 in there, that's all I'm ever going to get interest on is the 100,000. Compound interest means, all right, here's my 100,000. Now I get my 6,000. So they put that with the 100,000, and now I get 6% off the $106,000. You see, it compounds, it grows, and you get paid the interest on the interest that you got last month if you left it in there. Do you get it? That's compound interest. When I was a kid, my mom used to work at a bank, and so she used to show me all this shit. Yes, brothers, I know all about banking. Oh, I never even told you guys that. Yeah, my mom used to work at the data center for TD Bank, College Street and Yonge. College and Yonge Street in downtown Toronto. That's the fucking center of TD Bank, man, when I was a kid. Yeah, a child. Like when they were just putting in fiber optic cables, her boss showed me around the place and everything. I did a computer project at school for it. He gave me pieces of fiber optic and everything before it was even installed. Yeah. I never told you guys that, huh? Dudes, I've been in banking and all this shit for my whole life. I used to read books about that shit when I was an 11-year-old kid. Well, fiction books, but, well, not fiction, also good books. But anyway, look. Oh, hey. Just trying to tell you a little bit about myself. All right. Oh, and I should say something. So if you're a new person, I'm a Forex trader. Did I say that already? Go to forexfactory.com, type in my name, SHOMARI. Bang, press the button. Bang, you'll see trades and everything. Go down to the middle on the left, type in image, just press images. Yeah, you'll see my trades. I show you before I make the trade, while I'm in the middle of the trade, and then bang, when I cash out. Proof. You know what I mean? I mean, everybody does in Forex Factory. I mean, we're all real traders, but a lot of these fuckers on YouTube, they show you a lot of trades they say they did, and it's like, wow, why are you showing us after it's done? Why didn't you take a snapshot of your screenshot as you placed your entry order, fuckstick? Bullshitters. Anyways, brothers, look, BlockFi interest accounts, BIA, are backed, by Gemini, a regulated and insured crypto custodian. Well, now it changed. They do have custodianship. Gemini custodianship. Wow. Because I'm not going to bullshit you. I was thinking, well, it might not be so safe. Custodianship with Gemini? Remember, Gemini is regulated by the New York, remember that thing, the New York, I don't remember the name of their thing, right? But it's the thing that allows for crypto companies to be regulated. It's the hardest one in the country. Obviously, because, they're with Wall Street, and so they know what the fuck. Users will begin. Hold on, let's continue, brothers. Users will begin earning interest right away after depositing a minimum of 1 Bitcoin or 25 Ether. Holy. Actually, I have a Gemini account. What the fuck? This is tempting. The service is available across the United States, the U.S., with the exception of New York, Washington, and Connecticut. I'm good. I'm here in Florida. Shit. This is interesting, guys. BlockFi's lending platform has supported Litecoin for months and recently added XRP. But so far, the company has not announced if or when it will offer its savings accounts for those digital assets. According to BlockFi CEO Zach Prince, the program launched in private beta in January and already holds more than 10 million in assets from retail, corporate, and institutional crypto investors. The launch of BIA is another significant step in BlockFi's goal of becoming the go-to provider of financial services for crypto investors. Lending and borrowing is readily available at the institutional level. Nice. And we're excited to leverage our relationship and capital markets expertise to provide utility and yield in digital assets for all crypto investors. Yes, I like the spirit of that, buddy. BlockFi is backed by a long list. Oh, and look at these sons of bitches, right? Oh, and you know the one I'm looking at too, brothers. You know the one. Look, BlockFi is backed by a long list of investors, including Galaxy Digital, Susquehanna, Acuna Capital. But look. I don't even give a fuck. This is the only one. But Fidelity, $5.2 trillion under management. Recruit Strategic Partners, Coinbase Ventures, CMT Digital, SoFi, Consensus Ventures, and Morgan Creek. Bang. Yes. Not too shabby. Look. Wow. Actually, wow. This is interesting, guys. Wow. That makes it a lot more. I'm not going to bullshit you. I didn't really read all the way to the end right there. When I first read this, I just saw the 6% interest and was like, oh, hell no, that's awesome. And I knew it was going to be a good story. So I just started highlighting, but holy, all these guys, look, if you've been around these parts, you know what the fuck I'm talking about. Bang. Look, so if you guys are interested, I mean, I know you guys are all into that whole fuck my fiat money. Well, here it is. Transfer all your, I'm not telling you to do this. And I'm going to actually tell you, don't do what I'm about to say. But for those kind of super maximalists, well, there you go, fucker. Take your whole bank account, buy Ripple, or whatever coin you want. Well, I guess it's only Bitcoin and Ethereum, and for now, there you go. You hold your stuff in the savings account, you'll make 6%. Not only that, but remember, as the price of the coin goes up, which it's going to when, bang, the institutional investors get here, you're earning compounding interest. I'm not going to lie to you, man. I'm tempted. I'm tempted almost to buy a couple Bitcoin and just throw it in here just for the sake of it. Since I can't get the OKX 100%, 100 time leveraged futures. Well, this thing's a little, it'll give a little something, right? A little 6% at least. Pathetic, but holy OKX, man. Come on. But you know what I'm saying? Just food for thought, guys. And I'll keep you informed if I do it. I might buy a Bitcoin or two and just throw it in here. Buy a few Ethereum and just throw it in there, man. Because you're earning 6%. Oh, this is what I want to tell you guys. Because right now what we own, right? It's called vanilla. We own vanilla. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I do. I just own my shit. It's on these Ledger Nanos. And that's just warehoused in my fucking, safety deposit box in my bank. So it doesn't earn anything unless Bitcoin goes up, right? But that's the beauty of these sort of, this isn't what's called a leveraged product, but you are earning interest on it. So you're earning this residual income, passive income if you want, right? Technically you are, right? And so it's food for thought, right? Just food for thought. And that's why I bring it up to the brothers. If anyone's interested, get out there and, check it out. Look into it. I mean, I'm looking a little harder now that I've read to the end of that motherfucker right there. What? Because I mean, when I heard of it, I thought, I was a little afraid, but you're not getting hacked when you're with Fidelity and Morgan Creek and the rest of these fuckers thrown in. Like, this is real now. This is good. So, all right, guys, let's keep it moving though. I know. Function boy, all right. So, bang, look. 1 billion in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash futures were traded last month, says Crypto Facilities. Look at these fuckers. So this is only one company, but what I want to show you this for is, well, if this is what has happened to them, yeah, well, what's happened to everybody else, right? It's not like in an industry, only one company. Well, in something like this, when it comes to futures and that goes up and no one else does. It shows that there's a general, influx of money coming to the market now. And so, let's check it out. Crypto Facilities says about $1 billion in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash futures have been traded on its platform. Oh, it is the past month. In the past month. Oh, where are we going? Where are we going? In the past month alone. Bang. Bang. The company is witnessing huge growth after being acquired by San Francisco-based crypto exchange Kraken. That's funny. Kraken, I found out, actually, they are good guys. I thought they were like some mafia front company, man. The guy, remember we talked about this last year. Remember the CEO of Kraken? He called the lady from the SEC. He said, like, she's like a nagging ex-girlfriend. I was like, what the fuck? What the hell kind of CEO are you? But apparently Kraken is legit. And so, after being acquired by Kraken, the head of indices and pricing products, Su Chung, told CoinDesk the company is experiencing a 500% surge in volume, with a 400% increase in its user base, brothers. Here come the whales. Here they come. Bang. Hello, brothers. Allow me to introduce you to the whales. Bang. Look, look. Oh, man, here it comes. Our daily users have gone up by a factor of 4, and that's across all products, not just major coins, but they've all seen similar growth. That's what we like to hear. All these coins. We want to hear them all. We want to hear them all work, all look good. Well, I mean, we want to see them all do stuff. I don't really care about the price. You got to do something. You have to do something. That's what these guys are going to care about if you're doing something. They're not going to come here and be idiots and be like, oh, the price is up. I'm going to. No. They're going to care. You know, they have their analysts. Their analysts are going to tell them whether your shit's doing something or not. But look, look. So far, so good. So far, so good. I think, obviously, having the support, this is what the guy says, not me. I think, obviously, having the support of a major U.S. exchange helped. And, obviously, Kraken bringing our product set to a very loyal user base. That Kraken branding carried a lot of weight. And also the fact that because we run contracts on the major 5 coins and take collateral on the major 5 coins, we pay out in helped. All right. Crypto Facilities is located in London. Oh, of course it is. Those motherfuckers, they have a lot of money over there. And offers traders in the UK a fully regulated way to purchase crypto futures. Kraken says it acquired Crypto Facilities for at least $100 million, but has not released an exact figure. The company says Bitcoin is the most traded asset on the platform, with large numbers coming in for Ethereum and XRP. Bang! So look, look, here come the futures. Now, I know, and I know. If you've been here long enough, Shmori, man, are these cash settled futures or are they physically settled futures? I know, the story didn't tell me, man, so obviously I would have told you that. You know I would, brothers. You know that's what the fuck I care about. So what kind of futures are these? I mean, you know, but it just shows, you know, the interest. Like what did these guys, where is it? What did this guy say right here? Where was that shit? Where was that? Anyway, man, he said like 400, right? Percent and shit. So, oh, there it was. 500% surge in volume with a 400% increase in its user base. So, man, that's just all good news for crypto. I mean, are these physically settled futures or cash settled futures? I know, guys, I know. We don't know about that, but anyways, it just shows interest in the market, right? So, we all got to start somewhere. Let's go. Bang! Look, look. Oh, all right. So this one's a little fucked up. So I'm going to explain. So I'm going to read it, but then I'm going to explain to you what the hell, all right? I read on a bunch of websites today. Like I said, these little crypto nerds, these little crypto reporters, they don't even know what the hell, you know? So they can leave you with a little bit of messed up analysis. Your analysis will be wrong because their analysis is wrong. So I'm going to read this and then I'm going to tell you what's up. All right. Big banks refuse to bank crypto companies, says Bloomberg report. Here's why. Well, I'm going to tell you the real reason why, but these guys are going to tell you a little bit too. Bloomberg reports that crypto companies in countries across the world have been experiencing several problems with operating their businesses, being denied basic banking services by banks like HSBC and JP Morgan Chase, despite the fact that the latter has its own cryptocurrency and blockchain initiatives. Obviously, we know JP Morgan came out with their new coin. Why are you blocking crypto? All right. The report describes the source of the problems as the lack of regulation, with most countries like the United States, Russia, and many other larger nations still undecided on how to treat this new asset class. That's what we're waiting for, some fucking regulation up in this bitch. Jeez. Speaking to Bloomberg, lawyer and professor at the University of Antwerp, Robbie Hoban, said of the issue, no bank is willing to help them out. I have met some really stand-up people in crypto that don't deserve such a bad reputation and want the sector to be regulated. Yet, for every one of those, there are plenty of others trying to scam the public, launder money, or evade taxes. Yeesh, this is the dilemma. It's a shady world out there. The primary problem is not the fact that these banks consider cryptocurrencies to be a conduit for illicit activity, rather that the resources required to support these companies would be too much and too risky in case unfavorable regulations are passed. Right? I mean, but there's more to it than just that. I'm gonna explain it. Cryptocurrencies have been known to be difficult to work into KYC and AML guidelines. KYC, know your client. AML, anti-money laundering guidelines. As the very nature of cryptocurrencies can make it difficult to confirm these new guidelines or to confirm these guidelines. The report noted how financial institutions are unwilling to apportion resources for the building of systems that would help with this. Given the current stance taken by and that's why I'm going to explain to you about this article. This article is all fucked up. Given the current stance taken by the governments around the world, it's no surprise that cryptocurrency companies have a difficult time getting access to traditional banking services. For instance, India has banned banks from offering their services with exchanges. We have read about that here. Effectively disabling crypto activity in the state. Not really, they're getting around it, but it's not very good. Several other countries have considered making similar measures, but not all are so extreme. However, these difficulties serve more as a hindrance than an insurmountable obstacle for the industry. Several countries, especially developing ones, have realized the potential of utilizing digital assets to monetize their economies, while the United States, Russia, and India have all declared their intentions to pass regulations on, or at least examine, the digital asset space this year. And that's right. And so these guys are getting, again, these fucking crypto morons are getting it wrong. Yeah, these banks don't want, all right, so there's two things. Banks do not want to mess with crypto companies because it's like this. Here in America, we got the marijuana industry, right? So here in America, if you have marijuana laws, like say here in California or Colorado, you're allowed to buy, sell, smoke marijuana in California and Colorado, but federally, marijuana is illegal. It's illegal. And so we have a lot of marijuana stores, marijuana dispensaries here in America, but the banks don't let them put the money in. Because if there's ever a president and the president decides, I'm going to enforce our federal laws, you are complicit in holding illicit funds. Technically, they all are. Technically, any bank that handles medical marijuana dispensary accounts, you're handling illegal funds by federal law. And you're a federally regulated bank. So, do you see? And so that's what's happening. And so how does that equate to crypto, Shamari? The same. We don't have SEC rulings yet. We don't have the federal laws yet. So these, Coinbase and all them, yeah, they've been fucking with Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Yeah, because they are regulated. Yeah, they're commodities. That's it. In America, we have 3 commodities: Well, 3 cryptos that are regulated. That's it. And they're regulated as commodities. All the rest of this, you can't fuck with it. And so, especially some new crypto company. So the banks are like, nah, we're not going to do that. Like, so you remember earlier, what was it, about a month and a half ago, right? We read about Wyoming, right? Wyoming is like, bang, crypto was great here. We're cool with it. Like, you know, we're going to regulate it as this and that and this and that. So what I'm trying to say to you is that the crypto world in America, it's a patchwork. State by state regulates. You know, the laws in New York might be different from the laws in California, different than the laws in Seattle, different than, or not Seattle, Washington, different than the laws in California, different than the laws in Texas. So the banks don't want to mess around, right? They're going to wait. They're going to wait. And that's what stifles, it sort of stifles an industry in that, you know, these guys aren't all scammers, but the banks are like, look, man, we were waiting for the federal government's laws. Then we'll give you guys by that law. But according to every little state, nah. All right. So I just wanted to explain that because this article, yeah, the banks don't want to do the KYC and AML shit. That's, yeah, they don't want to hold their crypto. That's a whole other thing. But these banks don't want to even open them bank accounts, like just regular bank accounts. So when these companies make money, you know, they have somewhere to bank. That's the real story I'm trying to tell you. All right, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Fuck, I've been talking a good minute tonight, haven't I? Bang! Look, this son of a bitch right here, right up front. Bang! Oh, what did he say? What did he say? Gotcha 7. What? What did he say? Gotcha 777, you son of a bitch. Yes, you fucking motherfucker. Bang! That's our brother. Wrong hands, you son of a bitch. But keep the bang, bang, bang. That was perfect. Look at him. He knew I was going to read that tonight. All right, look. Oh, I love you. Bang, Ronkez. He's in the Netherlands, one of our European brothers. And he's a stock trader. Yes, watching the paint dry. But apparently it dries fast enough for him to make money, so it's all good. All right. Bang. Edwin, love you, brother. Yes. What do we got? Trinity Crypto. See you, gal. Bang. DP Entertainment. Bang. Bob 8441320. Bang. Yes. Radster. What was Radster saying? You guys, I went to go do this thing. It didn't work. I went to go do that coin thing you guys sent yesterday. So anyway, whatever. But Radster, love you, brother. Bang. Yes. What do we got? There's Poppy. Wait. Where's Poppy? There he was. There he is. Okay, we've already been. Bang. See you, brother. Hurricane Master. Bang. Crypto Bridgie. Bang. Container Capital. Bang. Crypto Times. Bang. All right, let's get you back to your wives and lives. All right, let's just take a little peek down here just in case. All right. Who's this guy? Bitcoin Crypto News. See you, brother. Bang. All right. Look. Let's get back to your wives and lives. Chill and kill it. Bang. All right, brothers. We had a good night tonight. So, yeah. Yeah, man. So, man, BlockFi. So, check that shit out. BlockFi, man. I mean, that's serious, man. Holy, wow. Man, that's serious. 6% interest on a savings account with your crypto. And, I mean, those Fidelity Capital. I mean, that's Fidelity Capital. So, I mean, you know, if you guys have been around here, you know who they are. Trillions under management. Yeah, like, yes. I don't mean trillions as in I'm just making up a number, like just exaggerating. I mean, literally, like a T. You know, a T. Yes, trillions under management. So, man, that might be something to look into. So, brothers, whoop, you know, invest accordingly. See if you like it and check it out. Bang! $1 billion in crypto futures traded by that one company. If they saw such a, oh my gosh, 500% surge and a 400% customer surge. Oh my gosh, man. What are all of them doing? All of them are doing well. Now, were those futures physically settled or were they cash settled? We don't know, but the fact that that interest is there, that's what intrigues me about that story. I mean, that's just stupid interest. And like it said, that was the past month. Here comes the money, guys. Here it comes. Here it comes. And finally, the big banks refused the cryptocurrency accounts. Look, that's because of the lack of regulation. They're going to get their accounts as soon as we get these flipping. This was such a huge story, so I had to read it. But personally, I don't give a fuck. Okay, as Shamari, a 19-year investor, I don't give a fuck. Okay? I know why the banks, like I just explained to you the marijuana thing. I have buddies with, one buddy who's got a marijuana business up in Maine. He has the same problem. Yeah, he keeps it in cash. He has a warehouse that all he has is cash in because the banks won't take their money. And so I know the problem. And he told me the problem. Yeah, it's because it's not federally regulated. It's only by state. So the state of Maine says, he lives in Maine. So in Maine, bang, he's got this huge grow house, all this shit. Sells weed, does all that. Yeah, he's not allowed to put it in a bank. Yeah, the banks won't do it. The state of Maine says it's all good. But the banks are like, nah, dude. Until Uncle Sam, bang, until the federal government says so. You boys are going to have to figure out what to do with your money. And so they have to. They literally keep it in cash. My buddy's got a house. Not a house. It's the size of a house. Of cash. Yeah. All right. So, and that's what's happening in the crypto world. These banks, some of them are just being like, look, man, when you guys get federally regulated, of course we want to take your money. We're banks. We're banksters. We're greedy sons of bitches. What do you think we want to do? We want all your money. But look, as greedy as we are, Uncle Sam, Uncle Sam right here, he's not going to let me come get your money. So that's how that's going down, brother. So look, let's get you wives live. Let's shill this and kill this. Look, subscribe below, press the bell, and you will receive automatic updates, notifications every time I do one of these shows. And look, that's how it goes down around these parts. My name is Shamari Clark. This is the favorite time of my day. I love talking money, love talking crypto. Oh, man, I love it. I'm a Forex trader, 19 years. So go to forexfactory.com, type in my name, Shomari. You'll see who you're talking to, new subscribers. Yes. Welcome to the real world, all right? Welcome to the real deal. No more of these 9-to-5 worker bees coming to tell you how to invest in your money. You don't worry. I am an investor. I don't go out in the day making spreadsheets and then come here and talk to you about money. I live money. I wake up to money. That's all I do, all right? So you're in good hands. Bye. See you tomorrow, guys. I love you all. My favorite part of the day. And, like I always say, guys, I'm always on duty, and that's literal. Bang. This is Shamari Clark, always on duty. Bang. Over and out.